Okay, now we go to the last one, okay, to show that carbon dioxide, CO2, is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, as you can see in the diagram, okay, we have the part A and part B. Part A only you fill with water, part B you fill with another things here, another substance which is called potassium hydroxide solution. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, again the process. Okay, the first one here, the first point, okay, you have to discharge a plant, set up the experiment as shown in the figure. Okay, and then you test the leaf for starch. Okay, control is the flask with leaf and distilled water. So as you can see, this is diagram. Okay, experimental leaf, which is inside the flask Y, shows the absence of starch as it is deprived of carbon dioxide, which means the amount of carbon dioxide is less. Okay, due to the presence of potassium hydroxide or lime water. Okay, the function of this substance, potassium hydroxide or lime water, okay, their function is to absorb the carbon dioxide. So without the carbon dioxide, so as you can see, the amount of the starch will be, let's say, nothing, okay, or 0. Okay, as you know, the starch is emitting as a glucose. Without photosynthesis, glucose cannot produce. So which basically means no starch. Okay, if no photosynthesis, because all of the amount of carbon dioxide has already been absorbed by the potassium hydroxide. Okay, so which basically means that photosynthesis needs carbon dioxide, okay, so that they can produce the glucose, okay, and then the glucose will convert to become starch. Okay, so let's say if you want to improve the experiment, how can you provide more carbon dioxide? Okay, so you can use this substance, hydrogen carbonate solution can be added, okay, to provide more carbon dioxide for control. Okay, so at the end of this investigation, so we can say that, okay, we really need the 3 factors or the 4 factors, okay, which number 1 is the sunlight, and then the chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, okay, for the photosynthesis to happen. Okay, so that's all for class today. Thank you guys.